Rogers closer to make a landfall this morning. The Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, PAGASA, said Sunday. Manila Weather Bureau PAGASA on Thursday said Typhoon Maggie is forecast to bring more rain and every strong winds in northern Luzon, including Metro Manila. Once it makes landfall Saturday afternoon, the government defines a super typhoon as one with winds reaching 175 to 200 km per hour, and with a potential to cause heavy damage. Typhoon Maggie is expected to land into the north of the Philippines, Luzon Island on Saturday, after recently dumped the heaviest rainfall in more than 40 years over Manila and surrounded areas, claiming the lives of at least 277 people and affecting more than 2.5 million others. Signal number 4, winds above 285 km per hour, had already been hoisted in Cagayan and Isabela province at 4 p.m. Sunday, said PAGASA Weather Forecasting Section Chief Robert Sawi as one. PAC maximum sustained winds of up to 225 km per hour. Near the center and gustiness of up to 260 km per hour. Technically, PAGASA does not have super typhoon category, but Sawi explained that the United States-based Joint Typhoon Warning Center declares a cyclone as super typhoon when its winds exceed 215 km per hour. Near the center as of the 5 p.m. Sunday, the eye of the super typhoon was located at 390 km per hour east of Apari, Cagayan, and moving westward at 222 km per hour. There is a 90% chance of landfall over the Cagayan area. Then it will cross Apayo and exit Ilocos Norte, said PAGASA Weather Forecasting Alcazar Arellio. PAGASA projected that the super typhoon could make landfall in Apari, Cagayan at 8 a.m. Monday and dump an estimated rainfall of 22 minutes per hour southeast one, which will be at 100 km east of Apari or 250 km southeast of Lawag City. This afternoon can possibly exceed the country, also Monday areas place Sunday under. And that's all. Good afternoon and thank you.